Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on the 27th of August, and a very interesting day in cotton. We were up on Friday, but we gave back most of it. We were up very early this morning, gave up most of it, but then late in the day came roaring back again, got above 83, and it's going to close above 83 at 83.35. That's up 165. So I think we're still in a trading range anywhere from a low that approaches 80 cents up anywhere from a high from 83 to 84, maybe even a little higher. But in absence of a trade deal, I just don't really think a trade deal with China. I don't think we're going to be able to get outside that range. If we do, it will be for a very short time. Now, if a trade deal comes through, if the next crop report shows a big surprise, either way, it's possible to break through that range. So we're just sort of trying to figure out what the top end of this is. And it's a little bit of guessing on that. So let's just take a look at the markets. Grains struggled throughout the day. Beans, corn, wheat were down earlier, stayed down. Cotton was the one that really sort of jumped up here. So I'm sure we're seeing mill buying, maybe some spec buying coming back in the market. I just don't think it'll be enough to sustain a rally a whole lot higher. Maybe we can get some follow through. December cotton up 165 at 83.35. A high of 83.54 made late the day, a low of 81.34. November soybeans down 7.5 at 847.75, a high of 853.5, a low of 838.25. We've got December corn down 2 at 360.75, a high of 363.25, a low of 357.5. December wheat closed down 13.5 at 528, a high of 536, a low of 521.75. Looking at crude oil, up 14 cents a barrel, the dollar down 37. Gold and silver both up a small amount, gold up $2, silver up 5 cents. And we've got the Dow Jones circled here because it is up 254 on the day, so a pretty good move. That's it. Have a good evening, and we'll look at this thing first thing in the morning. Thanks.